Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's podcast. I'm so happy you decided to join me today. Are you ready for something exciting? Today we're talking about improving your English listening skills fast. Many people think listening is the hardest part of learning English. But I have good news for you. With the right methods and daily practice, you can see big changes in just 10 days. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's start this amazing journey together right now. Listening to English can feel scary at first. Your brain needs time to understand new sounds. But here's the secret. Your ears are like muscles. The more you use them, the stronger they get. This 10-day challenge will train your ears every single day. You'll listen to different types of English. Each day builds on the last one. By day 10, you'll be surprised at how much you understand. On your first 3 days, choose very easy listening materials. Children's stories work really well for beginners. YouTube has many simple English videos. Look for content made for English learners like you. Don't worry if you miss some words. Focus on understanding the main idea of what you hear. Listen to the same content twice. The second time, you'll catch words you missed before. Music makes learning fun and helps your brain remember new sounds and word patterns better. Choose songs with clear words. Read the lyrics while you listen to connect sounds with words. Start adding short news stories. BBC Learning English has great content for students like you. Take notes while you listen. Write down the main points you understand from each story. Movies help you hear natural conversations between people. Start with movies you already know well. Turn on English subtitles first. Later, try watching without any subtitles to challenge yourself more. Find English conversation videos online. Listen to people from different countries for various accents.
Try listening to live streams or radio shows. This is harder but great practice for situations.
Set a specific time each day for listening practice. Make it a habit like brushing your teeth. Use headphones for better sound quality. This helps you hear small differences between similar sounds clearly. Start with short sessions. 15 minutes is better than trying to listen for 2 hours straight. Keep a listening diary. Write what you practiced and how you felt about your progress today. Don't try to understand every single word. This will make you tired and frustrated very quickly. Avoid content that's too difficult. If you understand less than half, choose something easier instead. Don't give up after one bad day. Some days are harder than others. This is normal. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own speed, so be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins every day. Notice when you understand a new word or phrase correctly. Find topics you enjoy. If you love cooking, listen to cooking shows in English regularly. Reward yourself after completing each day. Maybe watch a favorite movie or eat something special. Remember why you started learning. Keep your goals in mind when the challenge feels too hard. Count how many words you understand in a 1-minute video. Test this on days 1 and 10. Ask yourself, do English speakers sound clearer now? Can you follow conversations better than before? Notice if you need subtitles less than when you started this 10-day listening challenge program. Keep track of new words you learn. Aim for at least 30 new words over the 10 days. You now have a complete plan for your 10-day English listening challenge. The methods are simple but effective. Remember to be patient with yourself. Your brain needs time to process new sounds and patterns. Start tomorrow with day 1. Choose simple content and listen with focus and attention to detail. By day 10, you'll be amazed at how much your listening skills have improved through daily practice. Good luck with your challenge! I believe in you and know you can succeed with dedication. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. Now go start your amazing 10-day English listening journey.